So I'll be explaining what these tools are used for, one after the other, using this video clip on our timeline. So this filter is used to filter your video. You can add, there are different filters available here. As you can see, you can make it this color, that color. There's black and white here. See, so there are lots of filters that you can choose from, and you can choose to reduce the intensity or increase the intensity. Now, if you don't like any of this filter and you want to change the way the video looks manually, you can just go to adjust, and then you see different options you can adjust the picture to. You can you can adjust the video clip to. You can increase the exposure, reduce the exposure. You can increase the exposure like this. The contrast, so you can increase it or you can reduce it. You can increase it or reduce it. Yeah, the brightness, you can increase it or you can reduce it. You see, the saturation, same thing. So you can do it manually, and you mustn't use all the tools here, by the way. I'm just trying to show you that you can actually reduce and add the particular correction you want to correct on the video. So when you're done with whatever you're doing, if you check below, you see this X sign, apply to all. That's, you see a double check mark there, and then you see a single check mark here. So what this means is that if you click on this X sign here, you're canceling what you just, like what we just did now. If I click on apply to all, remember we have two different video clips. So if I click apply to all, it's going to apply to the two video clips. Oh my god, I'm sorry, I've already applied it. I mistakenly clicked on it. So let's just do that again. Exposure, let's go to, I think I remember, saturation. Yeah, something like that. So if I click on apply to all, it's going to apply to the two video clips. But if I just click on this one check mark here, it's going to apply to just this single video clip. One of the ways you can use this apply to all is, let's say you don't have different video clips, you just have a single clip like this one here, and you are trimming and cutting your video, or you're trimming and cutting or splitting, you know, on all of that. So if you want the filter to remain the same, and instead of you going to change it, because you know, obviously, let's say you shoot the video and you want them to maintain the same saturation to be 60, you want the exposure to be 90. So instead of you to click here and keep changing it in all the video clips, you can just click apply to all, and it automatically applies to the whole video, and even the ones that, everything that is on the timeline, every video that is on the timeline, it automatically applies to it. So that's basically how to add filter. Remember, you can add the filter automatically or manually.